Namaste, Amma Bhagavan Sharanam. My name is Mangesh Kisti. I am from Mumbai. I wanted to share two miracles which has happened in a very short time, that I joined this Dharma about 9 months back only. We live in a cooperative society in Mumbai, and it's a new society, and there was a lot of parking issues happening there. Our builder had allocated a certain good parking to us, but by politics in the society and by some problem at builder end, they overnight changed my parking to something else, which was very uncomfortable for the two cars that we had. So I did my basic thing in terms of checking with the society, trying to show them the documents and stuff like that. However, things were not happening, taking a shape. So I've decided to fight it out. But before fighting it out, I just prayed Bhagwan, why I have to fight this out for a simple thing where it was allocated to me. I should get my parking back. And I just casually said like this in my mind, not even talked about it. I just casually said like this. Next day morning, what happened? The builder, the owner, the main person of the builder called me up suddenly, and because I have the complaint that I registered in his office, and he took the lady in the office who did the car parking allotment on the conference call. He shouted in front of me to that lady for troubling me for car parking, and instructed her to give my car parking back to me. And without any problem and trouble, that car parking came back to me. Today in that car parking, I can easily park my two cars, and that is so my life became very simple, my fight became very simple when I took help of Sri Bhagavan. So thank you very much Bhagavan for that.